your reading for the full moon of June 25th, 2021. Let's begin shuffling. This deck gives you the guardian angel messages around this time, how you must be feeling. Basically tells you about your emotions, what you need to do. I'm going to select 2 cards for you now. This one, Angel of Clarity, and this one, Angel of Energy Fields. Okay, wow. These are your 2 angels. So definitely I feel that in your life right now you need some clarity. Maybe you're trying to find some answers. Maybe you're trying to verify something. Maybe you're trying to know a person better. Maybe you're trying to stalk them or know more about their lives by asking questions, or through friends or something like that. And the Angel of Energy Fields is definitely telling you that you're addicted to technology. Of course, if you're constantly stalking someone or trying to find someone, and that means you're constantly on social media, that means you're constantly on your phones and messaging, and basically technology addiction, which you need to reduce for the time being, because it's not good for your health and that's causing you problems. So let's see what the Angel of Energy Fields has to say about you first. Are you a slave to technology? Yes, you are being a slave, Taurians. Are you being bombarded by too many electromagnet frequencies? Maybe your friends are buzzing you, maybe they're telling you with some kind of information, maybe you are stalking, or whatever it is. There are a lot of, I think, back and forth messages with somebody. It's saying that amplify the protection from these draining forces by reconnecting with the earth. Take periodic breaks from electronics and re-energize yourself. So definitely, maybe because of that you're not able to sleep properly. Maybe because of that you're not working out. You're constantly thinking about one thing because you need some kind of clarity, as we can see from the Angel of Clarity, and that's why you're constantly over the messages and all. Don't do that. Keep your phone aside. Reconnecting with earth means that go out, go spend time in the nature, go out for a swim if that's possible for you around your area. Go for a walk in the evenings. Just maybe a walk in the morning if you're a morning person, barefoot on the green grass to gain the maximum benefits. So try to do such stuff so that you're reconnecting with earth at the end of the day, which is very important, because the Angel of Energy Fields is telling you that the positive affirmation that you need to do starting from today until the full moon is: I am grounded and focused. I enjoy relaxing in nature to regenerate and rejuvenate my energy field. My body easily deflects electromagnetic frequencies in my environment. I balance my life with fresh air and sunshine. So definitely, I guess you guys need it, and that's why the angel has come into the picture. Let's talk about what the Angel of Clarity has to say about you. It's saying, are you trying to gain clarity? Do things seem hazy and dark right now? Is your path unclear or uncertain? Maybe I feel in your personal life you're trying to know more about a person. Maybe your ex. Maybe you're trying to confirm something about somebody. Or maybe if it's not an ex, maybe it's a new person you're interested in. Taurians, something like that. I believe you definitely want some clarity, and you feel that maybe somebody hid things from you or lied to you or something, and then that is why you're trying to come up with better investigation of your own. You're maybe not blindly trusting anybody in the situation that which you might have done in the past, and that's why you thought that, let me clarify this on my own, let me investigate this about that person, whoever said something or whatever happened in your life. I don't know exactly. So definitely you're trying to be on social media a lot, stalk them, or try to talk to your friends more, and that's why use of phones and all sorts of stuff is there, right? So the angel is asking you that go within to see the positive in all circumstances. Focus on the matter at hand. Maintain loving thoughts and surrounding your current life situation. So definitely, when you think that somebody is lying to you, or when you think that things are dark, or when you think that things are not clear, you kind of become negative. So that is why the angel is asking you to be positive around this time, or to think positive around this time. Think positive about the people, even if you're doubting them. I'm not saying stop investigating if you really have to clarify something, so keep investigating, but at the same time, for the time being, till the time you have enough proof in your hand, give positive vibes to that person, right? So that it's easier for you also. The positive affirmation that you need to do is, I see my life situation clearly and from a greater perspective. I am focused on all that I do. I am lovingly conscious in every action I take. I proceed with a greater understanding of what is required of me. Wow. So definitely, I think you will get clarity, of course, but don't stress about it. Don't get too negative about it. Do definitely take break from your energy, technologies. That's what the energy field is saying you. That's, I think, the message for you, all in all, that yes, take periodic breaks from technology, and yes, you will get the clarity. Just be positive, just for the time being, till the time you don't get enough evidence in your hand. Stay positive, okay? So this was your reading for the full moon of June 25th, Taurians. I will see you sorry, it's the Mercury retrograde, it's not me. I will see you guys soon. Till then, you guys take care, okay? Bye bye.